Not fair. It's not my fault if all the other kids always get to school on time. And I'm hungry too.
Usagi?
I finally found you.
Are you okay? What's wrong?
Your lunch.
Oh, I finished it.
I'm so famished. I'm gonna pass out before study group.
Don't worry. I'm gonna bring my famous triple-decker roast beef sandwiches and potato salad for you to munch on.
What a moment! The click of the shutter, the flash of the strobe lights. That's when you know you're a star.
I'm starving. When are we gonna take a break for dinner?
A true professional doesn't even think about eating until their work is done, Usagi.
Man, I could never do this job. That's it. I'm gonna go buy something to... What?